Okay, all right. All right, hello, language explorers, welcome. So let's look at today's noun on Monday. So, kind. Things that are alike. Things that are like each other. They're more or less the same. More or less the same. Yeah. Things, humans, plants or animals, etc., that have something in common. So something in common. In common, like this. Something in common. In common, like the Venn diagram here. They have something in common. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. So we could say then, this is a strange kind of flower. This is a strange kind of flavour. This is a strange flavour. It's not like that kind, or this kind, or that kind. It's a strange kind of flavour. That these are tall kinds of dogs. Yeah, dogs, yes. That is a small kind of cat. That's a small kind of cat, and so is that, and so is that. And these are all big kinds of dogs. Yeah. I think that is a new kind of dog. A new breed of dog. A new breed of dog. This is a new kind of flower. Flower. Yeah. This might be a new kind of plant. It's possible. It's possible. Yeah. New kind of plant or flower. And here, look, we have the different kinds of humans or man or people over the years. Different kinds over the time. Yeah. So we discovered a new kind of tree. That's a strange kind of tree. What kind of tree is it? What kind of tree is it? I don't recognise that kind of tree. It's a new kind. New kind. It is a new kind of tree that we just discovered. Yeah, how cool is that? That we just discovered. How cool is that? Yeah. So they are in the middle of discovering a new kind of leaf. They're discovering a new kind of leaf. Yeah. They might. See, we think they might be looking for a new kind of tree to explain this material, this fossil. Yeah, these fossils don't quite match with the kinds of trees that we know of. So there must be a different kind of tree in existence. There must be a different kind of tree out there. There must be a different kind of tree out there. It's possible. Yeah. So there. Oh, hold on. When will all these new kinds of animals be categorised? So you've got all these discoveries. They need to be put in different categories, understood, labelled and analysed and tagged. All these kinds of files need to be organised. Yes. Yes. Yeah. 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 Categorised. Alphabetically. A, B, C, D, E, and beyond. It's important. Yeah. Yeah. So in life, there are different kinds of people in the world. Some nice and some not nice. There are different kinds of countries, foods, climates, tools, cars, books, also phones, and beyond. Different kinds of clothes, different kinds of cuisine or food, different kinds of tools, different kinds of continents, different kinds of weather, and beyond. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, kind. So, can you write kind in a sentence and put it in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come. So you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just type in Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.